Thank you, sir. Please be seated. At this point, we shall now proceed to the pinning of ranks to the newly promoted enlisted reservists. May we call on the newly promoted officer, Captain John Paulo B. Larisma, Philippine Air Force Admin Officer, 5th Air Reserve Center, to read the promotion order of the newly promoted enlisted reservists.
Air Force Reserve Command, Headquarters, 5th Air Reserve Center, Brigadier General Benito N. Buen Air Base, Lapu-Lapu City. Office Order Number 7, dated 13 June 2024. The permanent promotion of following named enlisted reservists to the next higher grade is announced effective 01 June 2024. To the rank of Sergeant, AW1C Irene S. Panes, ILT 19025-660, Philippine Air Force Reserve.
May we request again the Commander, Air Force Reserve Command, Major General Elpidio B. Talha, Philippine Air Force, to be assisted by the Commanding Officer, 5th Air Reserve Center, Colonel Alvin M. Sevilla, Philippine Air Force, to pin the ranks of the newly promoted enlisted reservists.
A1C Jomel A. Makuha, AQ T1401443, Philippine Air Force Reserve. A1C Gregorio E. Maming, AKT 1315451, Philippine Air Force Reserve. By order of Colonel Sevilla, Rene P. Piabol Jr., Major, Philippine Air Force, Executive Officer, signed John Paulo Villarisma, Captain, Philippine Air Force, the Director for Administration.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations to the newly promoted officer and enlisted reservists.